This is the story of two couples vacationing in the same place at the same time.
No. Hi.
One chose a Globus tour.
Come with me to the car.
The other
Taxi, I want to rent the car.
went on their own.
What's the name?
Go with Globus and you avoid the hassles.
Already checked in? When you travel with us, you skip the line.
Go it alone and you're on your own.
Where are they going?
With Globus, the world opens up. You see more, do more, learn more.
It is to look for a guy in a blue hat.
Blue hat. There are like 10 guys with blue hats.
With more stories,
A lot of people miss these when they come here. And these are the wine windows. Wonder what that is.
less stress.
We have the rest of the afternoon free. Do you have any suggestions?
Well, you know what, guys? There's actually a really nice farmer's market.
Next time, don't just go.
I don't know where to go. I don't know.
Go beyond. Tour with Globus.